So our headlights weren't working recently, but the brights would, and they would come on if you would push on this. So we assume something's wrong with this, so we're going to be replacing that. To get to it, you could undo these two screws, and there's one down here. Try and get back there and push it out, but it's not really necessary. You can get it with a flathead. Go try and get each of the corners. Careful, it might get caught in the foam there. Alright, and we got to replace these wires. To do that, there's these little tabs you have to lightly pull out. It's hard when your hands are cold. There we go. And on this one, I'm going to make sure that this red part is up, and there's these two little things here. Push on them. Let us know. After you pull that off, you're going to want to take this part out because the new one doesn't have that. We came inside to where it's warmer and doesn't have the same beeping. The new one doesn't have the mirror part on there, so we're going to take that off and put in the new one. To do that, this little weird thing right here, you have to push that in. Careful not to crack it. There we go. I'll do one on the other side. Oh, this is already all cracked. There we go. That piece no more. Take the new one. Make sure it's facing the right way. And yes, stick it in. There we go. Push this one down and pull this inwards. There we go. That piece is in. Now we're going to be putting it back in. Make sure they go to the right one. This one goes here. This one over here. And then you make sure it's popped in good. And you switch this red thing down. Still beeping. And then you have to pop it back in. And it should be good now. And there you go.